Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can game share on PS5. So this is really useful if you want to have access to your friends' games, if you just want to play more games, or if your friend wants access to your games, then you can use game sharing. And game sharing makes it possible so that you can access another account's games on your PS5. So you can only do this with one other account, so you can connect to one other account. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. So it's limited to one, but then you can access all their games even if their PS5 is offline. So they don't even have to be online and you can still have access to all their games. And this is really useful if you want to save some money, for example, because then if you do it with a friend, you only pay half of the price because you can just use each other's games. And that way only one of you has to pay the price and then you can split it. And you still have access to all the games. So a really useful thing that PS5 and Sony brought out. So let's go over how you can set this up. It's pretty easy. So first of all, hop onto your PS5 and then navigate to the settings. Then under settings, look for users and accounts. Right there you want to go to other. And now you can select console sharing and offline play. Press on that, then you want to hit enable if it isn't enabled already, and then you're able to access and sign into another friend's account and use that. If you want to disable it, it's the same thing. You go to the settings, user accounts, other, and then you just disable this setting right there. So people can't access your games if you don't want to share them anymore. And the cool thing is, this is also available for PS4, so you can share between PS4 and PS5, other way around. So this is not limited to PS5. This is just linked to your Sony account, so quite useful. You can even share with older generation PlayStations. But you can only share with one person, and more than one person is not allowed. So that won't work, but you can share with one of your friends, and that way split all the games and share the prices. That way it's a lot cheaper for you. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.